Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I've been having some issues with my tripod. And I've been having issues with this. See, it came off like this. Ooh. Maybe it's not this leg. There we go. Been having some issues with these legs and this, the kind of the spacer that holds it together. So what I'm gonna do is crazy glue this area, this area, this area. So what I'm gonna do, I'll show you. Wipe this down. Because I've been having a problem with these spacers. It's been 5 years. So a little dab there. Oops, make sure I don't get it. Oops. Dim light. Make sure I get it here, make sure I get some here. Make sure I get some there. Flip that over. Drop there, drop there. And what I'm doing is just securing these spacer locks, or whatever you want to call them. I call them spacer locks because it locks the leg down. Once it comes down, it stays locked. So we've been having an issue. So now what we have to do is take that apart, let that dry. Crazy glue dries pretty fast. Now I gotta do it to the next column. Gotta take these off. And just wipe down a little bit. Just add a drop. There. Drop there, and drop there. Just a drop. Boom. We can do it again one more time. I already did the other two legs. So these spacers are important because inside this, the twist and lock, is some teeth that connect to the bottom of this. So it stops the tripod from going any further. We do not want that to come off continuously and get stuck inside the other leg columns, which has happened before. Now, keep this in mind, it's been over 5 years since I had this carbon fiber tripod. So we gotta maintain the tripod's quality. So we gotta make repairs. So now, so that's all that I need to do for this tripod, because that's what I need the crazy glue for, but the other stuff. But keep this in mind, I don't recommend doing this, but I'm doing this because this has been my old tripod for a long time. I have many others, but yeah. Other than that, thank you for watching. See ya.